here's how to make coloring books to sell using Canva and AI without having to list your book for sale on Amazon KDP. If you like creating and self-publishing coloring books and you try to sell them on Amazon.com, you've probably noticed that when you make a sale, Amazon takes about 40% of your book royalties since they print and ship the book. So in this video, I want to show you how I was able to do this with cozy coloring book pages without having to give any of my profits to KDP, while at the same time creating trending coloring book pages that activated my creativity and allowed me to solve a real problem for people. So just copy me step by step. Let's get into how to do this. So step number 1 for creating coloring books to sell without using Amazon KDP is to stop looking for coloring book ideas. I know, sounds crazy, right? Because how you gonna publish a book if you don't have the idea? But here's what you're gonna do instead. You're gonna start looking for problems. This is probably the most important step of this entire process, because if you create a coloring book just to create a coloring book, you're gonna get lost in all of the competition that already currently exists. And this right here is where most beginners mess up. They wake up one morning and say, I think I'll make a flower coloring book, or I'll make another cute animal coloring book. But they never stop to ask, who is this helping? Because people don't just buy product, they buy solutions. Think about it. Why would someone, or even yourself, buy a prayer coloring book? Because they want to spend more time with God. Why would someone buy a homeschool coloring book? Because they're trying to teach their children something. The coloring book is not actually what they're buying. They're buying what the coloring book helps them accomplish. Just using that alone in your strategy will separate you from thousands of publishers. So here's what I do. For example, with my Exhale coloring book, I was not just creating a coloring book, I was creating a solution to a problem that also included downloadable, printable coloring pages, because I saw a problem or a gap in the market. There were no Black women on the cover of coloring books. So instead of just creating coloring book pages of random flowers, I want you to find a solution to a problem that people are already buying. And that is what you're going to use as your inspiration to create this coloring book. So you're going to go to Amazon.com and we're going to switch this to books. And then in the search bar, we're going to search for coloring books. And let's do coloring books for adults. And then we're going to come here and we're going to switch this to bestsellers, and then you're going to be able to see all of the trending coloring books. And so, for example, you can see that cozy coloring books are trending. Now, you're simply doing research. So you're asking, what is the customer already interested in? You can also look on Etsy, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, anywhere that your audience hangs out. And you can see in this particular niche, most of them have at least 4.7 stars with thousands of reviews. So remember I said one of the things that I suggest is to start looking for problems. Out of all of these coloring books, I don't see any that are relatable to Black women. So this is what you can intertwine in something that's already trending to make it your own and to stand out from the competition. So search trending topics. And it does not just have to be a cozy coloring book, but I wanted to show you this because those are trending and a lot of people's favorite coloring book pages to use right now. Step number 2 for creating your coloring book to sell online without using Amazon KDP is to create your coloring book using ChatGPT. Y'all already know, if y'all are subscribed to this channel or watched any of my videos, ChatGPT is like my personal assistant. I use it every single day. And you can do this using Claude AI or any AI tool. I just love using ChatGPT because you can create multiple types of products. You don't just have to stop at coloring pages. That's where most people leave income on the table. The secret is that every coloring page you create can become multiple products that generate income outside of Amazon KDP. One page can become a printable download, a digital bundle, a bonus for your email list, for membership, or even a complete coloring book. But okay, since we're using ChatGPT to make this, I'm gonna say something like, I want to create a simple, cozy coloring book page with Black women featuring seeing a beautiful Black woman with natural textured hair. You can enter the hairstyle here. Wearing comfortable loungewear. Cozy lifestyle aesthetic with cute rounded proportions. Warm home decor, plants, candles, books, coffee, tea, blankets, soft pillows, all the things. And don't worry, I'm going to include this prompt in the link in the description. And so this is the image that it gave. So cute. And of course, if you want to do any edits, you can always just come here and make any changes. Like if I want to say, remove the Black girl magic text. and then come here and ask it to just make those changes. And so this is the updated one without the Black Girl Magic tech. But a good ChatGPT prompt should not be asking ChatGPT to make random images. I'm asking it to think like a designer. So since you're making a series, use the same base prompt for every page and it'll give you a more cohesive look. For example, the next prompt that I used, I'll also link in the description for you, was a cozy coloring book page featuring a beautiful Black woman with a large curly puff sitting in a cozy reading nook by a window while reading a book, drinking tea. The room is filled with houseplants, candles, fluffy blankets, bookshelves, slippers, and relaxing, cozy aesthetic. I'll leave this prompt in the description for y'all too. So you'll have 2 good prompts that you can just kind of edit the prompt so that it's not the same exact prompt, so that your page can be unique to what you're creating. And so this is the image that prompt created. Super, super cute. So now, once I have my coloring book pages saved, I'm gonna go into Canva and go ahead and create an 8.5 by 11 project. If you use my Canva link in the description, you can start with a free trial. So once we're in Canva, we're gonna go ahead and click on create over here on the left, and we are going to click on custom size, change this to inches, and we're gonna do 8.5 by 11. And then create new design. That's going to bring up our blank page. And so we're just going to go ahead and upload our files from ChatGPT. And so here's the first coloring page. And then we can just bring that here. If you want to add a border to it, you can just click here where the lines are and then maybe make it 2 so that it's not too thick, and then that gives the border around it. And then let's say you wanted to make this a little smaller because maybe you want to add some lines to it because you want them to also be able to journal. This is how you can just make it uniquely your own so that it's not just a coloring page, although you can leave it a coloring page if you want to. We'll just come here and under element, we'll just type in line. And then this is where you can add lines to it, or anything else that you may want to add to it. And then of course you can make that a little bit thinner and then click on it and duplicate it and then duplicate it again. Voila, now you have a creative coloring page. We'll just add the other one, spread it out a little. But the goal is just to be creative so that your pages or your book is not like anyone else's. And so then you'll just keep building this out. Go ahead and add your cover page. And then we're just going to add another page so that it can be a blank page. You can ask ChatGPT to color this page. And child, look how beautiful that is. Oh my God, that's like perfect, right? So you can go ahead and save that. Girl, you can sell this by itself right there. You could put that into a frame and maybe sell this on Etsy or something like that. See how you're using the same product for multiple things to generate income? But yeah, come back to Canva. Go ahead and get our cover. And then you could just play with it until you get it, you know, how you want it. Yeah, girl, just play with it. All right. There you go. But absolutely love it. It is so beautiful. So then go ahead and name it. And then you want to make sure you download it so that it's printable. So we're going to click on share and then download it as a PDF file. Now we're going to download the pages separate. So we'll do pages 2 through 3 and download those. And then we'll also go ahead and download our cover page. So we'll have that because we'll need that when we build the website. So you want to make sure it's a printable because when you sell this as a printable, you get to keep 100% of your profit. You don't have to pay the cost of printing and shipping the book. You don't have to pay the cost of returns if someone returns it, which just as a disclaimer, when I sell digital products, I don't even offer return. But I'm just saying you don't have to pay anything extra. It's pure profit. So I encourage you to do this as printable because people do buy coloring book printable pages. Now, if you don't know how to create other types of books like prayer journals, devotional, Bible study guides, or any type of journals that you can bundle with your coloring book, I'll link my full step-by-step tutorial that shows you how to create journals for absolutely free. Also do have a journal course and a coloring book course where I show you how to create everything step-by-step, and I also include additional resources I use, and you get access to my community where you're able to ask questions. You'll learn so much about self-publishing in the course. So to get started, you would just go to bookbaguniversity.com Amazon.com. And again, I'll leave all the links that you need in the description. And step number 3 for creating your coloring books to sell without using Amazon KDP is to list your coloring book for sale on your own website and start promoting it. One of the best things about selling coloring book pages is that you get to use your coloring book page to do your marketing. But before we start marketing, we have to make sure that we have a place for people to actually go and shop the book. And like I mentioned at the beginning, if you list this for sale on Amazon.com, you're going to give 40% of your book royalties to Amazon. So you do have that option, but I want you to list this for sale on your own website. So instead of sending everyone to Amazon, send them to your store. Because when someone shops on your website, you're building your brand, you're collecting your customer list, you're creating your community. That's one of the biggest lessons I've learned over the years. And this way, you're able to keep 100% of your book royalties. And you're able to deliver the coloring book to your customer immediately. They don't have to wait for shipping. And if you're worried about building a website, don't worry, I got you covered. Just use AI to build your website for you. That's why I've been using Hostinger. If you've watched some of my recent videos, you've probably heard me talk about it because I've been building more of my businesses around owning my audience instead of depending on marketplaces. Let me show you how to do this. One thing I really like about Hostinger is how simple they've made building a website. Now you can literally describe your business to the AI. Something as simple as create a cozy landing page to sell my printable coloring book with warm neutral colors and an email sign up. And within a few minutes, Hostinger AI will build you a website. In minutes, you got a professional looking website that you can customize. Then all you have to do is upload your coloring book, write your product description, set your price, connect your payment method. Now people can purchase your coloring book directly from you. Just go to hostinger.com/Latoya. Scroll down to the starter plan. This is what I recommend. It's the best plan. It's also the one I currently use. You could get up to 25 websites on one plan. You can also sell digital and physical products, have gift cards, accept donations, manage orders, payments, and everything from one store. So if you decide to sell something in additional coloring books, you can also do devotionals, journals, prayer journals, nonfiction books, and everything can be on the same site. You can also do print on demand t-shirts. Like, you can do so many different products on here. And my favorite part is you keep 100% of your profits. So you can keep more of your profit instead of giving 40% to Amazon. So yeah, I've really been loving Hostinger. So again, go to hostinger.com/Latoya. Choose the starter plan. Any plan that's over 12 months gets you a free domain. Then where it says have a coupon code, go ahead and type in Latoya all in one word. Click apply and it'll take 10% off your entire hosting plan. Once you're all finished getting signed up, it's going to take you to your website builder page. And I'm telling you, it's this simple. Go ahead and put in your prompt. Create a cozy landing page to sell my printable coloring book with warm neutral colors and an email sign up. Hit that arrow and you're going to see how quickly Hostinger's AI will build your website for you. You don't have to make this take a long time. Just let AI do the heavy lifting. Look at this. Oh my God. I absolutely love it. That's what I'm saying. Just let AI do it for you. And the first thing I want to do is add my coloring book. So on the top here, go to e-commerce, click add a product. If you want to do print on demand coloring books, because I know some of you are gonna be like, you want to do printed coloring books, that's fine. Just select physical product and ship this on demand. I have a full step-by-step video that walks you through exactly how to do that. I'll link that in the description. I'm gonna do digital because like I said, it's pure profit if I do digital. I'm gonna click on digital product and then you're going to upload that front page of your coloring book. Hostinger has a product description AI generator, so it'll write your product description for you based off of your front page. Cozy self-care digital art. Enhance your digital space with this beautiful, uplifting digital art print featuring a cozy self-care sanctuary scene perfect for relaxation enthusiasts. This illustration brings positive vibes and comfort to your digital gallery, wallpapers, or home office. High resolution, instant download, suitable for printing or digital display. Of course, you can edit any of that. So over here, I'll go ahead and add the amount. I'm gonna sell this for $9.99. Upload the file. That's the PDF that you exported from Canva. Hostinger will automatically deliver your PDF to your customer once they purchase. I'm gonna scroll down and click save. You can go ahead and delete these other products that they recommend for you, or you can edit it and just swap it out with your books. And then go back to your home page. And now this is your home page itself. All you have to do is click and edit. You can make changes to any of the text. If you want to change the image through chat, just tell the AI what to update. change the hero image, coloring page to this coloring page. That's it. Let's click edit, but it is beautiful. You can edit everything on here. You can edit your pages or your photos. You can edit your backgrounds. You can edit your colors by saying something like replace the light brown with a light teal color. If you make a change that you don't like, you can just click on restore, but you can make this exactly how you want it to be. Modify it. When you're all done, just hit preview. Take a look at your beautiful coloring page website. Isn't this gorgeous? Slow afternoons, one warm page at a time, a little collection of printable coloring books in soft neutral tones. Download, print, and color your way to a cozier day. And then you can browse the shop. So this would be all of your books or printable coloring pages. If you want them to have a free coloring page, you can just update that through the chat feature. This tells them that they get an instant download. They can print it at home and it's made to unwind. And then if they scroll down, they can see your full collection there. This brings you back to the home page. And then if you scroll a quiet, cozy evening, you'll also see where they can join your coloring circle by putting in their email address, because I told you that email is included when you choose the 12-month plan as well. But this is so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And as soon as someone purchases, they'll be able to download it right away. Isn't this gorgeous? Long gone are the days that it has to take forever to build a website. Let the AI do it for you. Again, to get started, go to hostinger.com/Latoya. Use discount code Latoya at checkout for an additional 10% off. Don't forget, I'll leave all the links that you need in the description. And also, don't forget to watch this video for even more ideas of helping you self-publish books like journals. Until next time, bye-bye.